saltwater bass. Figured I'd give you all a widescreen update that's not a short. I'm gonna be taking the trolling motor bracket off, recycling that or selling it. Got my trash pile from the trailer over there, but be tossing some paint on it probably soon. Sand it off. Has some kind of labels on it or whatever, and I'll probably be taking that off. Wanted to get it down nice and clean right here, so it's actually pretty cool. You can see up in there with the flash. I haven't been able to see up in there very well. It's actually better than I've been able to see with a flashlight. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting the brand new garbage drains in the right way. See up in this one. And it's looking like wood at this point, which I did not anticipate. I could be wrong. Stay tuned. We'll figure it out. I know somebody added a floor to this boat. I definitely wanted to seal up those holes and make new holes for the garbage drain. Have a better, nicer contact. Pretty clean up front here. Stay tuned. Saltwater bass.